Hey there, friendos. My name's Amber, and welcome to Amber Glow Yoga. If you sit with rounded shoulders, you might feel a little tightness in your chest. This has given me some real Mr. Burns vibes.
Excellent.
So today we're going to learn 5 chest stretches to release those pecs and improve your posture.
Beginning in a cross-legged seated position with the hands in the lap, pull your elbows straight back, keeping them hugged in towards the body and not winging out. Right away, we're opening across the chest. Pinch the shoulder blades closer together like you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Feel free to close your eyes and just breathe. This is it. Hold and breathe. You might start to feel a little warmth, a little heat in your upper back from engaging your muscles. Just breathe through it. In through the nose and out through the nose. Now, when we're done, we want to maintain this lifted, open posture as we release. We don't want to just slide right back into those rounded shoulders. Keep it lifted and you're good to go. Next is eagle arms, bringing the left hand down behind the back and the right arm up behind the back. We're reaching for our fingertips here. We don't want to round the shoulders here. We don't want to round the back. Pull the elbows back and sit up nice and tall. Here's what it looks like from behind. Left hand down, right hand up, reach for the fingertips and open those elbows back. Now you might not be able to reach. You can just hold on to your shirt if that's the case. That's a great option. Also, if you have a t-shirt or a strap, you can hold on to that too to lengthen your grip. Either option is great. Whatever you choose to do, we're just going to hold here and breathe. Maybe take 3 to 5 breaths to start. Keep lifted, keep those elbows pulling back. On an exhale, release. And then we'll take it into the other side. Got to keep things even. So the left hand comes up, the right hand comes down. We reach for those fingertips and open the elbows. Again, if you can't reach the fingertips, no biggie at all. Hold onto your shirt, hold onto that strap or t-shirt. It's totally okay. One side you may be able to reach your fingertips, the other side you might not. We're not even, and that's okay too. Take a few breaths. In through the nose and out through the nose. Our Ujjayi or Darth Vader breath. On an exhale, release the arms. All done. Puppy pose. From tabletop, walk your hands out a little bit away from the body and then bring your chest down to the floor. Keep the hips lifted. Great option is to bring your forehead down to the mat or bring your chin down to the mat to go a little bit deeper. Press your chest, your heart space down into the mat and breathe. Breathing is the name of the game. If this one starts to feel a little bit challenging, once again, breathe. It may feel counterintuitive. We tend to want to hold our breath when things get challenging, but I promise you, if you breathe more, deeply exhale, it will become easier. When you're ready, press into the mat and walk yourself right back up to tabletop. Number 4 is a standing posture, stepping your feet wider than your hips and clasp your hands together right at the base of your spine. Pull the hands down and forward fold over, creasing at the hips. Allow the arms to come up behind you. Now they might come up just a little bit or they might come up a lot. Either way is totally cool. Drop the crown of the head down towards the mat and bonus, hamstring stretch. Who doesn't love that? This one gets nice and deep, and I tend to do this one every time I finish gaming. On an inhale, let the arms pull you back up. And if you like, you can pull them down once again, lifting the chest up towards the sky. Take a look up, see what's up there. Then bring yourself back to center and gently release the arms so they don't slingshot out. Last one, from the belly, extend the right arm out to the side, then roll your body onto your right side. Option to stay right here. If you're already feeling a stretch, this is a great place to stay. If you'd like to go a little bit deeper, you can bring the top foot onto the ground behind you. To go even deeper, you can drop that top arm behind you. Or if you'd like to go really intense, you can extend that top arm out behind you. Now, I'm telling you, this one is quite intense, so only do this variation if you feel truly ready. There's no need to push. There's no need to go to the most difficult one. Just be where you are today. Get the stretch that you need. Hold and breathe once again for about 3 to 5 breaths to start. When you're done, if you extended that arm, bring it back to the mat. If you bent the knee, extend it out and roll yourself back onto the belly. We'll take it on to side 2 once again to keep things even. So we'll extend the left arm out to the side and then roll the body onto the left side. Option to stay here. Option to bend that top leg. Option to bring the top arm behind. Or to extend the top arm behind. Be gentle with yourself. Pick the one that works best for you. Now we'll just hang out here and breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Inhale and exhale. If you want, you can close your eyes and just really experience what your body is feeling. When you're done, if you extended that arm, bring it back to the mat. Extend your leg if you bent it, and bring yourself back to your belly. That's it. We're done. Your chest and pec muscles should feel nice and open at this point. I hope you do these often. See you soon. Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to connect with me live to ask questions or just hang out, you can find me at twitch.tv/amberglowyoga. We have a whole community. Join us. Let me know in the comments, how would you rate your posture? 1 being the worst, and 5 being it's pretty awesome. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.